So
this is gonna be easy because this.
Whoa! That's cool!
So you can see how they've been going on that at an angle. There might be quite a lot of bees on the roof. So by putting it...
Whoa, should I spray?
No,
Whoa.
you don't have to do that.
Wow! That's quick! Oh my god!
I've got some bees here.
Yeah.
Put it on
So
an
if
angle.
you put it on an angle like that, so just that, so it should be okay.
That is quick.
And then, if you want to look at one, you can just take it out like this.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cool.
And
Hey! Oh look, that is... Hey, yeah, I see.
And so the thing to really, when you're manipulating the frames, we never want to put them flat. So if you want to look at the other side, you lift it this way and then round this way.
Alright.
So you're never, I'll demonstrate with the other one what not to do, just because it's without bees in it. We never want to leave it like that, because honey will drip out and bees will fall. So we're always keeping it with a bit of wood underneath if we need to manipulate it like that. Can't actually see any brood there.
Is that capped off?
You can't see any room.
No, that's capped honey. I'll just have a look at this one.
Whoa, calm down.
Should be able to look in here and see. Look, you can see the little in the open ones. There's little white squiggly bits. That's the larvae bees. Little bit of
You bad?
a little bit of smoke there. Oh, see, you can see a drone in the middle there.
Oh.
Here, this one is a drone.
Oh, this one is a drone.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I see?
Whoa. Okay.
And we can. I'll just.
Yes. Do you want to?
You hold it. I'll just have a little look on this side, just so we know that. Yeah. So ideally, that we have the sun behind us, so we can see a bit more clearly. But I'll just have a look on this one. Do you want to put that one back in? Yeah. And it's good to put them back in the same order, in the same way,
Like it is on the side.
if you can. And we see a queen. It'd be nice to see the queen. She's most likely to be sort of...
Here.
Oh yes, well done.
Well,
Yeah, yeah,
This look, queen.
yeah. Just here.
There's queen.
There's the queen.
Wait.
Come, do you want to come closer, leader? They're being very friendly.
Right, leader, can you see it?
She's just here.
It's here.
Yep,
She's
see
longer.
her. Whoa, she's massive.
Okay.
So there is queen.
So there is a queen.
Wow, happy days.
That's the main thing. Off from there. That's it.
The only thing is I don't want to kill them.
Exactly. So the best way to do it is put it on sideways at an angle like that. So and then slide it, and then so just you can go back in there, and then you slide it round. So you're hopefully, rather than if you go like that plonk straight down,
Yes.
you're more likely to squash them. If you go sideways and then slide round.